Yes, sir. So we're here at the pier. At the poolside, boy. Up in the morning, day 3, Monday.
Day 4, boy, man, can count.
Day 4, yeah. So, come on. Get some. Like man, I eat the plastic, bro. Man, hungry. I'm sure I'm get.
Boy.
No, it's very sun is hot that he got
Well,
last night.
correct.
What did I you tell him? So you've got some scrambled eggs, bacon, biscuit, sausages. I don't eat sausages. So
you ain't pork, so you can't eat.
No pork. Yeah. Yes, I get some. Roger went on the road, grab some breakfast. I eat some scrambled eggs. Yeah, where pepper there? Is it white pepper, bro?
Salt.
Yeah, Chef Boyardee, is it? 2 egg biscuit is good. I didn't have it yet, but it looks good. Yeah, it's not dry. I like Popeye's biscuit. Popeye biscuit will choke me to death, bro.
And they don't have maple syrup. They have the what's that?
Jam.
Grape jam.
Grape jam. For the pancakes. This is a big breakfast. They got burrito. They got hash brown. How much is? 3 pancake. A biscuit. No, man. That's too much.
And
a drink. That's too much. Well, probably it's too much for me because I don't eat a lot of food.
And then you want to reach 200
pound.
There's no way.
I'm gonna get. It's
There's
hard.
no way.
You
have to eat a lot.
This is weird for me though. Grape jam on my pancake, but hey, if it works, it works. Gonna try it. Alright, so we'll log back in. I'm gonna go do a tour right now. Yeah, so big up. Respect my boy. So we just pull out, going down by Toronto. We're going down by they call the place Statue of Liberty to get like a tour. We're supposed to reach at 2. It's after 12 now. It's gonna be like an hour drive, right? So we're just topping up on gas again. This is our 3rd time on the trip since we've added gas. First time was 30 US, second time was 20 US, so that's 50. Now we're gonna do 30, 80, so it's not bad. And we've been here since Monday and today are Thursday, so good amount of the gas lasts long time. Yesterday we went to the bridge, Brooklyn Bridge, but we took the train, so we saved some gas right there, you know? So I'll check back in and let you know what's happening. Alright, so we're outside. Finally got parking. Parking is never easy in the city. Shout out to that one random guy that gave us his spot, you know? Yo, where we going? Where you have the GPS?
You know why? Because you know, we're car community, so that's what we do. Big up car community right there, sir.
Big up yourself, you see me? So we're in the city right now, so we say.
Lifted. airlift and shit.
Yeah, so
Respect.
we just reserved the spot. We went on our website. Let me tell you how. Because we're doing the Statue of Liberty cruise. Went on our website, but it's like a third party, so they charge more, right? And they're giving us an address that is just not good. So if you want to do this cruise, the Statue of Liberty cruise, when you come in the city, you just go on Statue of Liberty Cruise.nyc, and that's the official website. They give them an email address and things like that, and from there you're solid. They just book the cruise. They have it at 1, 3 and 5, so we're going on the 3 o'clock one right now. So we're at Cherry Street right now. I'm gonna head out, see? Sulak back. So we had to park far up there. Now we're walking down here. Roger drip out to the end. Drippy. Drippy. Mind the wet up the street. Mind the wet up the street, yo. Dripping. You see it? I'm going over this. It's a public school right here. It's a pier. Pier 36, where it's $2.99 now. So we just need to find where Brooklyn Bridge that we went on last night is just over there. Behind the building, not inside. So we're gonna go do that cruise. Let's go. Yo, I love picturing him. TME, man. Damn, bro. Pier 36. Put in a GPS and see for the same thing, yo. Vámonos, vámonos, vámonos. Alright, event cruises, New York City, departure point this way. Alright, so yeah. Liberty Cruise, yeah, we're here, baby. We're here, we're here. We're here, let's go. Yes, sir. On to that youth, who walks again? Alright.
I'll show you the drip.
I don't have on a drip. I'm not dropping.
Yeah, same shirt again.
I'm not drippy. I'm not drippy. I have to go and buy clothes. I'm not drippy. I took a lot of shorts here thinking the weather was going to be nice, you know? But
Stop. There you go.
Give me the city, boy. Yes, sir. So we're here at the pier. At the cruise line, boy. Oh, here's the cruise, yo. Come in on my yacht. So see we outside. You see me? So this is one of many cruises that we're gonna go on. Yeah, man. This here is the cruise line. How is this one? Top notch pigeon? Yeah, got you top notch. Lord the bird now, you. So yeah, this is our cruise line. We're gonna hop on. I already reserved the spot. We're good to go, right? Majestic Princess. Come in, bro. Domini. Yes, sir. Yeah, I shall take out chain, bro. Take out that chain. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Sight that. Ready to go. Let's go. Father God, keep on guide upon this cruise. Help us to enjoy ourselves. Amen. Alright, boarding now. Yes, sir. Majestic Princess. Alright, so that's not the boat that we're gonna go on. That's the boat we're gonna go on now. And then to get that helicopter cruise, it's $200 US per person. This year it's $38 per person. Where is it? Oh, the Statue of Liberty is right across from there. I guess when you're in the town you can't really see it. Let me turn my camera. So that's the Statue of Liberty all the way over there. Yeah, we're gonna go there. Where is it? That's it right there. Yeah, so that's where we're going right now. And as I said before, went on the Brooklyn Bridge last night. Alright, so this is our boat. They're cleaning it off. This is called the Manhattan. Yeah, Liberty Cruise, yeah. There's a long ass line already, bro. The line starts here, yeah. That drink, I will get a badge for premium and we don't stand in line. You see? So we avoid the line.
There we go, what?
So our time to go in first, okay? You say at the top front, right?
Step, yes.
Thank you, sir. Feel wobbly. Alright, thank you very much. Front right, my boy.
The first one.
Not gonna go to the front. Garbage is there.
No, here.
You take the end, I take this end. Yeah, man, because I want to see.
I wanna pay for this.
Huh?
It's my seat.
Yeah.
Nobody can sit on my seat. Good boy.
Yes, sir, we're outside. We're outside premium spot, you know, right up at the front. And we get that good view for you. When we take off, I'll record. Youth.
Outside.
Outside. They have like a little bar area inside. Yeah, outside. So we got a wine. For the ticket we purchased for $38, you get a cookie and any drink. We took a wine, right? And then that's for the premium wine. And you go upstairs.
In the very back,
You get that
between
food.
the two restrooms, there's a closet.
Whoa! Alright, so we're heading out now.
Yo, that's loud.
Alright, starting?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This guy's running, bro. You're late right now.
Memorial 9/11 Museum, I feel a must-see site for all visitors to New York City. See the statue trampling on broken chains and shackles, symbolizing freedom, also symbolizing the abolition of slavery in the United States, which only occurred 2 decades before the statue arrived here. The statue arrived here in 1885. Statues facing southeast toward the Atlantic Ocean, where all ships came from when they entered New York Harbor, including all immigrant ships.
Alright, so we just saw the Statue of Liberty and we're heading in back now. Nice, get some nice photos, get some history. It's made from copper, hence why it's changed its color to green and stuff like that. The World Trade Center is over there, where the World Trade Center Twin Tower used to be, but it got knocked down. Yeah, that is it. So we so lag back in and reach back. Probably go to the Twin Tower, the World Trade Center today. So we'll see how that goes.
That round brick building, that's it was a fort, but it was never used as a fort. It was used as a prison. So that's New York's Alcatraz. Actually, you see the building with the green curtain on top there. That's the Trump building.
Where?
Also
Trump.
known as 40 Wall Street. The one with the green curtain on top.
This is Trump building?
Not
Yeah,
Trump
green.
Tower. It's not the- it's known as 40 Wall Street. Originally the bank. And and it probably could last another 139. It was built so well, so meticulously, carefully. These two towers go under the water. The one on the Brooklyn side, finished first, goes 40 feet down and reaches bedrock.
14 years in the making.
River. The one on the New York side on the left goes 70 feet down and does not reach bedrock. Still doesn't reach the bottom of the river after. Obviously, they did something right. Has anybody walked across the Brooklyn Bridge?
Last night, yeah?
Last night.
Good experience, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
What do you think of it?
Does the marathon go over the Brooklyn
No.
Bridge?
It does not. Arizona, well,
Arizona and then
She's
the
smiling in the
Queensboro
video.
Bridge, which you can't see.
So that bridge is over
So you
100
should
years
walk
old.
across the
Took
Brooklyn
14
Bridge.
years to
Great views of
build.
Manhattan and Brooklyn. Free, how would you like to live in this building here, 1 Manhattan Square?
Oh, lit.
And have to listen to that all day and all night. That's why that building's a mistake. Should never have been built. For many reasons, but that's a main one. Anyway. Okay, guys, New York City, five boroughs. We have Manhattan to our left, Manhattan Island, 13 miles long, 2.5 right, 2.7 million people. Most populous borough. Brooklyn was a city unto itself, would be the third largest city in the United States. Behind us on the right is our least populous borough, Staten Island. 500,000 people, mostly residential. In front of us, about 13 miles away, is our northernmost borough, the borough of the Bronx. The Bronx is the only one of the 5 boroughs actually attached to the continental United States. It's attached to the U.S. mainland at Westchester County. The other 4 boroughs are islands. Only the Bronx, not an island. And there's one borough I just didn't talk about. Very good. You know. The borough of Queens, guys, the best of the 5 boroughs. Not only because I'm from there. There are other reasons too.
Nice.
Queens is attached to Brooklyn, going up the East River on the right. Queens is the largest borough area-wise. It is the most diverse, multi-ethnic of our 5 boroughs. Of the 2.4 million people living in Queens, over 50% of them are foreign-born. So half of Queens comes from somewhere else, which makes it the great place it is. Diverse, multicultural, multi-ethnic, great food there. And Queens has more languages and dialects spoken than anywhere else on the planet. Over 800 languages and dialects spoken in Queens, New York, making it the most diverse place for linguistically in the world.
Wow.
Oh, it's 800. God, hey.
Thank you for bringing this beautiful weather.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you credit, so thank you.
Alright, we're outside now. Just finished a 1-hour tour. Have some sweet song up there, so. This is a little place where you come and chill. You just come and you chill out, you know? We got educated on the city, which is nice, you know? We're done now, so we're gonna see what's up for the day. If it's nothing else, then this is where we end it. So there's a gym out here. I'm gonna work out.
You made a $20 pull up. You buy me a food.
Buy your food and blood plate, man, again. Hold this, let me show you something.
Tired?
Hold this. Push, man. Muscle up. Muscle up. Hold this.
Tired?
Bad man. Don't play with this, son.
Eh? One hand, like this, like this.
That was quick. Right there, this is one hand. Let me teach you how.
Oh, dear. I can do that.
Yeah? Go on. See? Yeah?
So we're walking back, we can't find a car. Roger lost us. What happened to me English?
See? Your destination is on the left.
Roger lost us out here.
Right here. I can find my
This
car.
boy got us lost.
My car, right here.
Watch it, man. The man got us lost out here, bro.
Right here. You see that red
Make
spot?
sure, bro.
Right
Because
here.
you don't know, we're in New York. Concrete
Right there.
jungle where dreams are made of.
That's it. In the front, right there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
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 He found us.
Yeah.
He found us.
He falls
Yeah.
down.
So there we go, New York.
I know where my shit
Smell the Sakura. Let's go. We're in
Take
the
the next
city.
right to stay on First Avenue, United Nations Plaza.
We're outside.
Continue on First Avenue for 4 miles.
So we're heading to where?
We're going to the First Avenue, which is closest to the Central Park, which famous park in New York.
Okay. Walking to the pizza spot right now. So in a few minutes we'll get there. And I'll tell you what that pizza tastes like. You know what I say? Yeah.
Oh, smell jerk chicken.
Yeah, man. I
Oh,
smell
right there,
jerk chicken.
food boss. That's right.
You know, so I smell jerk for. That smell good, man. Big 'em up.
So what's up, guys?
So don't have some here, so the bad pizza there, so let us go see. Smash it. Try it out.
And then I'll give you.
Okay. 6.
That's
So outside, we're gonna give it a taste. Let's see what's happening. This guy suggested it and we're all the way here. Where are we? In Harlem?
first. No, first street.
Oh. So far, crust.
It's called what's called it? Pastry. Patsy Pizza. Pizzeria.
Give it a taste. First bite of a New York pizza. Nice thin crust. How is it?
I like the sauce. I like the tomato sauce.
First.
Tastes so good.
I like the dough. Fact that it made in a stone oven. Char. But I've had nicer pizza. I have. It's not bad. I'd say 6.5. Where it's nice and fresh. Yeah. I'll give them that nice and fresh. Thinness of the dough. Sauce is fresh. The char from the oven and the dough. Like that. But just regular cheese pizza. I'd have to try more pizza in the city and see, but it's just like a 6.5. Thereabout, yeah. It's not like, whoa. No, not get that.
Probably because
What do you think?
it's old paste famous.
Yeah, it's like an old
just all
stone
regular.
oven. Yeah, but I have better pizza.
But again, it's different when it's cooked from stone oven.
And freshly made sauce and stuff like that.
When it's conveyor belt oven, gas oven, But the actual good ones, I think, that I've seen making the pizza, it's by wood oven. It's stone one, but you put wood
Wood in
it.
there. You
It's
get the
smoke,
fragrance.
it's about smoke.
So you get all the flavor from the wood. Yeah. So we're at the Great Malcolm X Boulevard. I'll entering over by Central Park. Yeah. Don't know the thing, go. Discover Central Park. That's a fountain.
Here, drink it. Drink it, man. Come on.
Huh?
Just want to drink it.
No, I don't want no water. So this is Central Park. I don't know if it's Grand Central Park, but it says Central Park.
Central Park.
I didn't think this our park is not this big, eh?
We have some. No, yeah.
But the fact that you have like tenting and stuff going on over here.
Yeah.
Tour in America,
I'm
and
gonna stay there.
oh, if you're gonna stay here for the rest of your vacation, yeah, man, do that. There's nothing much over here, to be honest. You see what I say? Not much not over here. Yeah, there's nothing much here, but you know. But I guess it's just a nice place to come and chill out, I guess. So you know in Canada we have Tim Hortons, right? And here in America they have Dunkin' Donuts, so go and try it. People themselves to try some Dunkin' Donuts. I'm not really a sweet tooth type of person, but we're gonna try regardless and just see what it's about and say it's great. You see? So that's what we're gonna test out right now. Some Dunkin' Donuts. Tim Hortons look better, but okay. Alright, so this is the Boston cream. I'm going to give it a try. Honestly, it's just what I've seen so far. The variety is limited. It's not nothing like Tim Hortons. So I'm going to taste it. I heard this is their best donut.
Bro, this sucks.
Dry.
But the feeling is not like they said it's vanilla pie. Vanilla cream.
Cream pie.
Huh?
Cream pie. What's the hype about? I don't know. I don't see the hype. Why the hype? But I guess it's just your donut spot. It's your donut spot. I haven't gone to America. America, Canada. But that's that. It's just a regular donut to me, honestly.
You know, like it.
This one here is the coffee cake.
Oh, yeah.
Something of the sort. I'm gonna give that a try.
Yes. So just.
Okay.
I'm moving now, so just move away a little bit. Yeah.
Thank you.
Watch your car
So give this
behind.
coffee cake a taste. Wow. This is like my bite in a sugar. Literally a lump of granulated sugar. Yeah.
Not good, man. I think that donut is old, bro. Oh, my
Yeah,
God.
because that restaurant. Where we going?
Central Park.
Bro, we think past this, we're gonna go to the Cheesecake spot, bro. What's here to see? Nothing. Alright, so we're heading now. We're heading to the where the Twin Towers used to be before 9/11. We just went to Central Park. It's
Bro,
nothing
yeah.
special to, in my opinion.
Yeah, we're getting cheesecake first.
Gonna get cheesecake first?
Yeah. 'Cause it's
Okay, so I'm
cheesecake.
going to this cheesecake place that was recommended by a lot of my Instagram friends. You know what I say? So let's go find this cheesecake place.
Oh, we're in New York. We
I'm
walked
heading
this
to work.
earlier. Yeah, we need to
Yeah,
find a
walk.
parking spot.
What's the name of the place that we're going to again? Juniors.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the left.
So we're back in Manhattan again. Gonna go try out this pizza spot. Not pizza. Gonna go try out this cheesecake spot. I was gazing at the sneakers. Gonna go try out this cheesecake spot that everybody been recommending. 3 for $10. T-shirt. Oh, I thought it was the shoes. I'm like, serious? Eh. Applebee's. Right, cheesecake. Ah. So this is where everybody send me to. Let me see if this is it. Sir, got the bag. We got the bag, so we're gonna give it a try. Big up all our friends them on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, @_chef. We suggest we come here. Not gonna lie, inside of the restaurant looks very nice. They don't just look like they serve food, not just cheesecake. But their cheesecake selections looks very good. But we'll tell you what we feel about it. See? But wow, big up everybody where participating, letting me know. Next stop I want next pizza spot to have up here. See? Me and Raja out here. Look to the camera. Yeah, Raja out here in the city. Yeah. I think Raja got the Been There series collection from Starbucks.
Not
As
for me,
per
but-
usual for his family, you know. But this phone right here gives such high quality. And there inside the restaurant, we did a dining. We're on we're call a street, so that's inside the restaurant. Looks good, man. Yeah. Raja, I have to get a phone like this. So here we go. They say once you're in New York, once you're in New York, you have to try a original New York cheesecake in New York. So here we go.
Can we play some music for that, New York?
We'll get
Oh, wait.
copyright.
Copyright. Yo, they're millionaires already. Come on.
Look at that. Look, that's why they stay millionaires. Alright, so it's just we know of plain cheesecake, hold on. And then the red velvet, hold on.
What you do?
Oh no, I need some of the crust here.
Yeah. So you straight it up.
Alright, we bought one of each, red velvet and the plain.
Show the people.
Come on, bro. It's a Car Chronicles, right? Bro, I'm not messing up the car, bro. Sorry.
Don't worry, I got my tape. I got my tables over here. Here?
You have a knife?
No, man.
Hold this.
Oh shit, my knife at the back. You want me to grab it?
No, it's okay.
Hold on.
No, man.
Hold it.
Bro. Come on, man.
Hold it, you.
Yeah, that whole thing. So we're gonna share because we bought one of each. Alright. Ratchet knife come from America. So first bite, we're gonna give it a try. This is a plain New York cheesecake from New York. Very creamy.
Oh my god.
It's very good. It's creamy. You can actually taste the cheese.
I will go back for this.
You can actually taste the cheese, eh? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's not overly spiced. You can actually taste the cheese. It's very creamy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's not too sweet. I give it a good 9. It's good.
Oh,
I like
man.
it.
It's not that too sweet too, so I give it a 10. I like it.
I give it
Like
a 9.
it's just sorry. It's like a cheesecake that you can eat without feeling it like, like I'm done. Like it's too sweet.
It's not
No,
too
this
sweet.
this one you can actually eat all
And
that.
I'm gonna try the red velvet.
Red velvet, guys.
Again, not too sweet. The cake itself tastes just like the regular New York one. Taste the red velvet cake by itself. It's moist. Yeah. It's not dry. I can taste the cocoa in the red velvet.
The what?
Cocoa. Or cocoa. Okay. Cheesecake is good, man. They're good. I can see why people buy it there. And not
Is
just
this
the
on
taste.
junior cheesecake is only found in New York?
Probably. I'm gonna have to ask people. But not only is the cheesecake good, the restaurant looks real good too, eh? Inside looks nice
Fancy.
and fancy.
It's not like fancy, like more
And the light-
entertaining.
And the lights that are in there, right?
It's like you're more entertained to be in there, and then that's the
But the
environment.
sweet is getting to me still. One bite and this sweet is knocking me down. I'm just gonna eat it because it's not covered.
But again, it's so good, so good.
What am I giving this one?
I'm not really fan of velvet, but it's so good.
Mm.
It's just good. Well, again,
Yeah.
probably because it lifted up by the cheesecake. I'll give it 9.
To eat a red velvet right off the bat, I wouldn't eat a red velvet.
9 just cause not a fan of velvet, but
Cheesecake
But
itself
cheesecake is
is
good.
good. Creamy,
Yeah,
not too sweet.
I have no
And
more
taste the
energy.
cheese in there. Alright,
We have one more.
one more what?
9/11.
That's it. Can try it out, man. It's very good for real. So this is where the world, the Twin Towers were, now known as the World Trade Center, that red dot up at the top, where the 9/11 happened. So we're just driving down and we're gonna see what the site looks like. You know what I say? Alright, so we made it here. I guess no vehicle can drive there, eh?
Like bleach.
Oh, it's a one-way. Yeah, vehicle can drive, but it's a one-way.
No man.
Yeah, man, can drive there, but it's a one-way. When you drive, you just roll your wheels over on those, and they close down. Yeah, man. So this is the famous World Trade Center. It was first known as the Twin Towers before the 9/11 terrorist attack. You know what I say?
Where is the World Trade Center?
This is it, the middle one with the antenna, bro. Yeah, so and take a photo right here, my boy. Yes, sir. But why is there? Oh, police are over there. Nobody can't walk over there. Yeah, I think
I'm
we
gonna
can.
go search it up. Oh, right here.
Yeah, we can walk over there. Wanna take a photo from here, bro? Yeah, man, take a photo from here. Alright, so this is the famous, so they close off this area, Roger, right? So realize there's no traffic, you can just walk the street, because this is where everything used to be. Cop cars are around here, they close off the entire street, these streets. No cars can't drive down here.
There you go. I promise.
Yeah.
9/11. Well.
So right here, this is the where the World Trade Center is. The Twin Towers used to be here, but this is where the bombing happened. You know, they close off everything around here. Let me see. National September 11 Memorial and Museum. Yeah. Ole.
So can we
Take a
go
picture
in?
right there, so bro.
So this is the South Pole That's the North Pole.
So you see they close it off with chains.
This view.
Can't go in there. Yo, they have security guards, bro. This is serious. You see me?
What you say?
They have security guards over there, so you can't go over there, bro. This is like sacred area, you know? Yeah. This is where so many lives were lost, bro. So many lives, bro. You don't see the security managing the front.
Is it closed? Can't go there no more?
Can you go there during the day? Can we go here in the day? Okay, thank you. Is there like a tour? Will there be like a tour?
Or just walk in?
Will there be a tour tomorrow?
This will be open. This will be open. Come walk right in.
Okay. There's no tour guide that will explain anything to us?
Yes, there is. There's a booth. If you go over there,
Yeah.
there's blue canopy things.
Okay.
One of them on top says tour. You should be able to have tours there.
Okay, nice. Thank you very much.
No problem.
So you want to come back as a tomorrow then, bro?
Tomorrow?
We can get a proper tour.
Yeah, man.
Because it's nighttime now.
Give credit
Some
for those
history,
who
yeah, man.
sacrificed their life, yeah.
So we're going to come back here tomorrow and get a proper tour in the daytime, you know? So we're going to head in right now and we'll return tomorrow. Let's go home, bro. So that is it. I should rest in peace to all the brave people who lost their lives that day. Yeah.